Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, JBFlintlock, back for another video. I'm going to shoot my .45 caliber flintlock today. It's named Fancy. Last video you saw me shoot these little pom-poms off the top of the stick. This time I'm just going to cut the stick in half. I'm backed up about 10 yards. Let's give it a shot. The other half's gone, but this one's cut clean in half. That's good shooting. Alright guys, that's it for today, but I really appreciate you watching my video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give this video a like. And also, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss a minute. You can also check out my videos along with other cool gear if you head over to my website. It's www.jbflintlock.com. Alright, thanks and safe shooting.